For testing, we are using our standard floor model ERN 150 because all machines look the same. For our test is enough, this machine, to see dimensions of the machines, how we hold the machine, the winding tool in the machine, and how we prepare the winding. Fixing of the coil is by the tailstock. I open the tailstock following way. Dismantle the right side of the tool and remove our coil. For good work, I have prepared some help for winding. It means the beginning of the winding, this bridge between the first and the second winding, and winding tool consists from two parts. On the machine flange is one part with holes for the coil. I insert the coil to the left side, and the second part also with some holes, and close the coil with tailstock. Finish. The machine. For good winding, we need to hold tension. For this purpose, we use our tensioner EB200. It is necessary to read accuracy through pulleys, direct into the machine. By our winding sheet, we start the winding on this screw. While guide is in start position, we can start our first winding. First step after 4 turns. Machine stops after 4 steps. I insert isolation by winding sheet. And continue with the second step. Second step after 8 turns. By the winding sheet, all taps have to be moved for 5 mm next step after 12 turns. Fourth step after 16. We start the second winding. Step after 5 turns. Next step after 10 turns. Next step after 10, after 20 turns. Next step after 50, 30. Dobre, na pravú stranu. The line, I made a line to see the direct place for output, for tap. Next step after 50 turns. The speed is slowly because we produce some prototype. The speed actually is 25 RPM. Patrz. 50. Next step after 70 turns. Next step, 9. Next step, 110 turns. I start doing by fiddle, and then restart by pressing start button. Next step after 130 turns. poškodený, to už 150. Start particle, then pressing start button, release. So we finish with 177.5 turns because we have no more